Hey people, welcome back to my channel. I appreciate you tuning in. On this video, we're gonna test the soak and save method of cleaning the black plastic right cell foundation. So this is just an example. It's really not that bad, but some of you may have these inserts you put on the frames, and you'll notice from time to time, these will get dirty. You can scrape the wax off of it, and then you'll still have some crud on the inside of the cells. Now, I already know probably 90% of all of you out there are gonna say, oh, it doesn't matter, you know, go ahead and just put the foundation in a strong hive and let the bees clean it. Which is true. The bees will adapt and they'll clean the crap out of it, but in this case, I want to reapply wax on this, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and use the soak and save method. Let me show you. So 2 weeks ago, into this Rubbermaid tote, I put a bunch of those wax foundation inserts. Inside the tote is 2 cups of bleach and 2 cups of Blue Dawn dish soap. And I used hot water out of the spigot, and again, they've been soaking in this Rubbermaid tote now for about 2 weeks. My goal is to try to get these foundations as clean as I can, so that way I can apply some fresh melted beeswax over them, and that will really help the bees draw them out a lot quicker. This is called a soak and save method. I found it on YouTube. I'll post a link to that original YouTube video below in the description. So go check that video out, and I just wanted to check it out myself. Monkey see, monkey do, as they say. Again, it's been in here for roughly 2 weeks. I haven't done anything except lined up the foundations, you know, lined them all up, filled the whole thing up with water and the bleach and the Dawn dish soap, and it's been soaking. And ugh, look at the crud. Yummy, yum, yum. There's all kinds of crap that floats to the top, and ugh. But wow, I'm kind of impressed already. You can kind of see that's the residual wax left behind, and inside the cells, again, when this is dry, it's a pain in the butt to clean. So that's the idea of the pressure washer. I'm hoping I can lay this flat, hit it with my pressure washer, and we'll see how clean it comes. So let's do that next. So I'm out here on my driveway now. It's a flat surface, and what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to put it in the middle, see if it can stay. I got the small tip on the pressure washer, and again, this is the 1800 psi, 1.6 gallons per minute. Not a huge, you know, powerful unit. So let's just see how effective this is. This is the first time I'm trying it, so I'm going to try to hold it down and then hit it in the center. Well, that ain't too bad at all. Here are some that are much worse. You look at all the crud on that one. So I hope you saw enough of that video. You'll see this is brand new, very clean. I didn't even need to use a hand brush. You just bring the tip of the pressure washer real close and it blasts all the gunk right out of these. So you can really see on this yellow plastic, it did a great job. So I'm a huge fan of soak and save. Again, 2 cups of Dawn dish soap, 2 cups of bleach, let it soak for 2 weeks, and then hit it with a 1800 psi pressure washer. You'll see here I got stacks. I got 4 stacks of black plastic, 1 stack of yellow. You figure that's about a $10 bill for 10 of them plus shipping. So right there's about $50. Yeah, it took some time, took me maybe an hour or so. I wanted to take my time doing it, but well worth it. So hope you enjoyed watching and have fun with those bees.